Hi, I'm Jeff Howerton, and this is Lean Personal Training in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to talk about the reverse lunge. Now, in some past videos, we talked about the perfect squat using the alignment, shoulders, knees, and toes, with the weight on the heel and midfoot of your body. Today what we're going to do is we're going to take it, instead of on 2 feet this time, we're going to put all our focus and our weight on one leg. Now, when you're doing single leg work, it's very important to do it correctly. You want to save yourself from any knee pain that's not necessary there. We're going to be working on muscles specifically of the quadriceps and the glutes. That's probably where you're going to feel the stress. So, to begin with, thinking of the same alignment as you had with the squat, we're going to start off with one foot in front, all the weight on the front leg. Make sure when you have a single leg exercise like a lunge, you're really on just one leg. The back leg may act as a prop and may use a little bit of weight, but for the most part, we're going to all be on the front. So, as you move down, you keep all the weight in the heel and midfoot, down and press up. Each time from the side, it looks like this, back and up. So if it's an actual reverse lunge, you may start with both feet together and then step back with the weight on the heel and midfoot and push forward. One more time, it's that. Now, a couple of problems we normally see with the reverse lunge. The first is maybe a stretch that's a little bit too big. So it would be something like this, way back like that. When you have a lot of space between both feet, it creates a lot of instability, and you actually end up putting more stress in the joints. So when you step back, try to think of that back leg moving no further back than when the knee goes straight down, basically. So we're going to drop down to there and back up. It can even come in a little bit at an angle because the majority of our focus here is really keeping the weight on the front leg. What we don't want to do is a stretch too far back where there's a wider angle of the knee to the floor in the back. The second thing is we're going to watch the knee in the front. This just makes sure that we're keeping the weight on the heel. So when you step back, if the weight stays in the front of the foot, you'll see that front knee shoot out. When you do that, the shear force on the knee creates a lot of stress on the kneecap. We, of course, don't want that. So keeping the weight on the heel and midfoot, you go down, the knee stays in its proper place, and we don't have any problems there. One small other thing, from the front, make sure when you're moving down, of course, you always keep good alignment with the knee and the toe. So when we're down here, you're pushing back up. Be careful not to see any of this or this. Keep perfect alignment, down and back up. It's just like a squat, except that we're on one leg instead of two. If we can be of any more help, please let us know. This is Lean Personal Training, 279-1900, or www.leannashville.com.